Hi, I'm Kristine Mullen from Ambassador Crochet, and I am a designer and tech editor. I have seen a lot of changes in my business. First off, the first year I was in CBA, I grew my business 65%. And the second year I grew my business 40%. The other things I have seen is I'm much more consistent in my business. I'm better at planning and goal setting and those kind of things that I was very all over the place before. I think Mastermind for me has taken it to a different level, more focused on being professional rather than a hobby business or even a small business owner. And I'm making connections with people that have the same goals in mind. And it's a different level of connection. We can strategize, we can work together instead of working against each other. I've heard before that anything that's free is usually thrown to the side. And so I knew by investing, I would put the work in, I would make more effort of actually progressing and doing what I needed to do. I think some of my favorite parts about CBA are the people. There's definitely a ton of content to learn, but I think it's the people. I think everybody that wants to grow their business has that same goal in mind, and most of those people are willing to help each other out and do what it takes, and you build a community of not just a community of crocheters, but you build a community of friends as well.